Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. And to do this, first let's try to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here. Then next speaker can be located on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker, so it might not work during that test. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of them, that confirms that this device does have the stereo speaker. Now let's try it out. And clearly you can hear a sound from both of the speakers, which confirms that this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.